Discover the exquisite fusion of ancient Thai tradition and modern wellness. Introducing the ThaiKanya CBD Herbal Compress Ball. Crafted with 15 grams of dried cannabis roots and stems, blended with turmeric, lemongrass, and bergamot, a pure, natural recipe for your body. Let the heat penetrate deep into your muscles, relieve chronic pain, reduce swelling, and melt away office syndrome stiffness in your neck and shoulders. Stimulate your circulatory system and detoxify your body. The warm herbal oils nourish your skin, leaving it soft, hydrated, and glowing. Breathe in the therapeutic aroma, reduce stress, calm your nervous system, and prepare your mind for a deeper, more restful sleep. Self-care has never been easier. Simply wet the ball, then steam for 10 minutes or microwave for just 2 to 3 minutes. Apply the warmth to your body and feel the immediate refreshed. ThaiKanya CBD Herbal Compress Ball. Elevate your spirit, rejuvenate your life. Available now.